Alright, so I just got this shower head off a Schmam. This is the water hookup. Goes onto the head and it goes onto your, where it comes out of the wall. Get some directions. Got some plumber's tape. Ooh, it's all wrapped up in a nice, bag. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. I think I don't know if it's aluminum or plastic. It feels really good, though. This ball does not move very good. I think I have to loosen it here. Okay, yeah. So you loosen that, and then that'll give you the rotation on it. Let me slide this over a little bit so you guys can see. So you got to loosen this to get this to rotate, okay? Then you tighten it when you get it in the position you want it. And this is where your thing's going to set in, and this is going to hook here to that cable thing, or whatever you want to call it, and then it leads to the head. Let's take a look at the head. I mean, this is nice the way they pack it up. I like this. Nice little bag it comes in. Keeps it from getting all scratched. And then look, check it out. They even put it in another thing. And that's it right there. Bam. Bob's your uncle. So we'll put some tape around there. We'll screw that on. And then we'll hook this up onto the wall. And I want to see if there's a water restrictor in here. And you know what? I'm looking in there. I don't see a water restrictor. Let me see if I can see it. No. So that might be the secret to this. There's no water restrictor. So let's look in here and see if there's one. Let me pull this out of the bag and we'll check it out. So this comes with this little cap on it. And you got to get this off of here. You got to turn it because it's screwed on. And I'm looking in there and there's no water restrictor there either. And this is all metal, so that's cool. And then over here, let's take a look at this. And these things you have to unscrew. You follow me? You got to hold the nut and then turn this. That comes off. And nothing in there either. So you don't want to lose these little things, so maybe keep this on until you're ready to install it. Make sure you don't lose there's a little washer inside there. So I'm just going to keep that on there for now until I take it upstairs and install it. But that's what comes in. This is nice. I mean, it's pretty long. I mean, look, it's like 6 feet. I mean, I put my arms, it's longer than 6 feet. It's like maybe 10 feet. Here we go, look. Right? That's pretty good. That's a lot of hose. So that's very hosable. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. I mean, we could put it on here right now if you wanted to, but I'm going to save that for the installation when I put it up on the shower. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.